From the moment we announced Newberry would be the home of Samsung's first American home appliance manufacturing facility, our priority has been to make a difference, not just in the lives of our employees, but in the communities we all call home, and we love sharing our story. Through the years, we've had the privilege of opening our doors to everyone, from students to U.S. senators, from leaders of national trade groups to the President of the United States. Some have even made their mark on us, signing off on a cutting-edge manufacturing process that's already produced millions of award-winning washing machines.
Manufacturing is critical for the success of any economy. So it's critically important that we strengthen the manufacturing sector here in the United States. And the only way we do that is with good people like Samsung, who are opening their doors, showing people what modern manufacturing is about.
It's spreading a message around the country today that these jobs and careers in manufacturing are the place to be. So I'm proud of everything about Samsung. It's been a very happy, productive relationship. It's getting stronger, getting better, and it means much good news for the people of South Carolina.
Good news is fun to share, and with the continued involvement of our community, state, and national partners, we'll continue to make our mark on a new age of American manufacturing.
The congressional delegation in Washington has a very close relationship with Samsung. I look forward to being here for your 10th, your 15th, your 20th, and your 25th anniversary. I don't know that I'll be here much longer than that. But you will be. You will be.